Hey buddy, today in this video we'll be making air fryer chicken skewers with Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. Let's begin. We have here some chicken breasts and let's take some out. We're going to cut off 4. We're going to cut the chicken breasts into chunks. First we're going to cut off the tip. That's one piece. And we're going to split it right in the center. Just like that. And we're going to cut them into small pieces. There you go. And it should look something like this. There we go. We cut them all into chunks. First, we're going to season it with some salt. Some garlic powder. Some smoked paprika. There we go. And lastly, some ground black pepper. There you go. Flip it over and do the same thing. There we go, we flipped them all over. And now let's season the other side real quick. Okay, we seasoned both sides. And now let's put it in a bowl. Next, we're going to coat the chicken with just a little bit of olive oil. Just pour a little bit out. There we go. Mix it around. Looking good. And change out the gloves. Next, we're going to cover it up and let it marinate in the fridge for around 30 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, the chicken has been marinating in the fridge for 30 minutes. Let's skewer the chicken. For this video, we'll be making 4 chicken skewers. We already have 4 skewers cut to the right length for my air fryer, and I use scissors to cut it. Let's skewer the chicken. Just gonna poke it through, just like that. We're gonna put around 4 pieces of chicken on the skewer, just like that. There you go. And we'll save the rest for another day. This is what it looks like before we put it in, and now let's preheat the air fryer. We're gonna push the preheat button, and we're gonna preheat it to 400 degrees, and we'll be back. Okay, it's fully preheated to 400 degrees. Now let's put in the chicken skewers. And now let's put it in. 400 degrees for a total time of 19 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 8 minutes so far. Let's flip them over. Great. Yeah, flip them over real quick. And now let's put it back in for the last 11 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 16 minutes. Let's add the barbecue sauce. We have here some Sweet Baby Ray barbecue sauce. And we're going to add some to a bowl. Next, we're going to brush some of the barbecue sauce onto the chicken. Here we go. We're going to turn them over and brush to the other side. There you go. And now let's put it back in for the last 3 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 19 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's take them out. Looking great. Next, we're going to add some chopped up green onions on top. Okay, this is what we have today. Air fryer chicken skewers with Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. I hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here. Have a bite, and thanks for watching.